here it comes, pot number 1. Oh, come on now. Oh. What? There's almost nothing in here. Oh. I just need to move the boat. That's a nice crab actually in there, but beside that, oh. I'm a bit disappointed, I must admit. I had some great expectations for this pot. It's been soaking for 5 nights now, 5 days, and I baited it up like properly. Oh. It's a bit windy out today, and so as I'm hauling the pots, they function almost like a drift anchor. The wind is taking me and the boat the other way, and so I have to haul like, it feels like double the weight. But first pot, a bit of disappointment. Now let's head over to the rest of the set. So, so as I said, it's been 5 days since I set these pots, and well, I was hoping for a lot of lobster, but I'm concerned that there just might be a lot of crabs. We'll see. I'll save all the crabs today, and we'll have a look at just how many is in the pots. It's one thing with the crabs that are in the regular pots, but when I get to the deep sea pots, if they are full of crabs, then yeah, it's a hassle to get out. The thing is that I baited up really good 5 days ago, because I knew the weather was not on the nice side, and I used a couple of bait boxes. I didn't have one in the last one, but I think I have bait boxes in about 6 or 7, and so the crabs and the lobsters and the fish can't really get to the bait, and so it just stays there and keeps fishing, even though the pot has been visited by a lot of crustaceans. So that is the idea. But let's see. Last haul, when I moved the pots, there was no lobsters. They'd only been soaking for 1 night. And we are now, it's Sunday, so it's 2 weeks since lobster season started. Oh man. But I'm starting off with the 2 heaviest pots, the new pots, Vestlandsteine or Skotteteine, with the side opening. Oh, yeah. Just because they are so heavy when you wait, and hold them last, because your arms are pretty shot already. So, but the thing is with the 18 kilo pots that I set them fairly deep, so that doesn't help, does it? Okay, we'll be at pot number 2 in just a second. See you there. Whew. Okay, pot number 2 coming up. Come on. That's a lobster. A nice one. And quite a few crabs. Oh, that is a nice one. That is a big, beautiful lobster. Haha. Hard shell, you can see the keel worms. And these crabs, I'm gonna save all the crabs today. See how many I get. I have a feeling it's gonna be a lot. Whew, the wind is really ripping today. So I am just having to be a bit extra careful. Let's see. That is 30. That's a really nice male lobster. I love it. Look at that claw. Oh, I'm looking forward to munching on that. Okay. That was the 2 big pots. Now let's hold the 3 deep sea pots and see what's in there, huh? Pot number 3. Come on. Nope. Just a bunch of crabs. At least one nice one, but only crabs. Whew. Oh man, this is work. So pot number 4. Come on. Nope. That's just more crabs. But here too is a couple of nice crabs actually. So I think I'll save a couple of those. Ooh, that's a big nice one. Now, this isn't too bad either, so happy with that. Happy and happy as. Okay. There's one more of these deep sea pots. So let's see if I can find it in this weather. Oh man, pot number 5. Come on, show me the money. Nope, those are crabs. But again, there's a couple of nice ones in here, at least. So yeah, I'm gonna empty out the pot and then we're off to the last 5. Whew. That was a bit more work than I bargained for today. Okay, pot number 6. Come on. That is a sorry catch. 3 crabs. That's all. After 5 nights. But not any keepers either, so. Okay. Well, off to the next one, I guess. Okay, pot number 7. Come on. Oh, nope. Just a whole lot of crabs and hardly any keepers. So let's go. No. That's some nice crabs though, actually. That's a really nice one. Absolutely. And this too. Ah, lobster! Woohoo! Nice! Finally! And that is a keeper all day long. It's another male. And that is 27.5, almost 28. A couple of nice crabs here as well. Many nice crabs here today. That's a keeper. That's not. But I'm just keeping everything to show you at the end how many crabs I actually get in 10 pots. One haul. You know, it is insane how many crabs there are. Oh. Let's see here. That is, well, that's 2 lobsters, so I had 19. That is number 21 for the season. Oh man, it's windy. Okay, last pot. They've been soaking for 5 days. And I have 2 lobsters. Will I have no. Just some more crabs. Well. That is not a keeper. I think I have about 5 keepers in here, which is not too bad, I think. So, but I do have a lot. I don't know if anyone has been counting, but look at that. And there's a couple of nice ones in here. I mean, this no, it's a bit light. This one, that's a good one. That's a eater. No, this one, oh yeah. You know, so there are a couple of nice crabs in here. But that just goes to show you how much crab there is. It is insane. I'm gonna keep the keepers and then I'm gonna dump the dumpers. And I'm gonna reset the pots and then I'm gonna haul them again in a couple of days. Hopefully the wind is just nasty. It's not that bad now, and you know, I have the mic with the isolation or whatever, so you can't really hear the wind, but it is howling. And I'm fairly inshore, so it's not that bad, but there comes some gusts with like 22 meters per second, I guess. and that just, it takes the boat, and then I hold the pots like it's a drift anchor. Oh, I have to get home. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. You know, click like and subscribe and all that stuff. Bye.